Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In today's video, compare the UFS storage read and write speed test comparison between the Realme GT versus the Realme X1 Max device. So both phones, they do have the UFS storage 3.1. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of speed. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate by using these 4 different applications. As you can see friends, let's see what's the results going to be there between these both smartphones. So first let's start with the first application, which is the Android Bench application, so which is also recommended by most of my users. That is the reason I thought of using these 4 applications. So not 1, so 4. So just see, based on the 4 different results, we'll be able to figure out what is happening between these mobile phones. And before doing this video, I did clear all the background RAM management and everything as well. So let me need to submit the scores, and here we got the results, as you can see. So everything I did clear from the background. So here you can see the results. So sequential read and slightly higher in the Realme X1 Max. If you want, you can pause this video at this moment and you can take a look. And first one, second one is high in the Realme X1 Max, and third is highest in the GT, fourth also highest in the GT, and fifth is highest in the Realme X1 Max, and this one, sixth, is highest in the Realme GT, and last also highest in the Realme GT. As you can see friends, comparing between both phones in terms of the scores. And now let's move to the next application, which is a CPDD application. So in this test, we'll be able to figure out what is happening. So in the first round, highest Realme X1 Max. This is Realme X1 Max. And let's see the second round, what's gonna happen. And 941 and 962, second is GT is the highest. And right now equal points for both, 1-1. And let's see third test, what will happen. Third is 20 and 34. Highest points for the GT, 2 points for the GT. And right now random read as well, I think 29.42, yes, highest. So yes, 3 are highest in the Realme GT, and first and last is highest in the Realme X1 Max. You can see the clear difference what is happening. As you can see friends, exact difference between both phones in terms of the UFS storage. And now let's move to the next is Android Benchmark application. So in the Android Benchmark application, you'll be finding the option which is called the storage test, as you can see. So let me need to start the test again. Let's see how much difference will it be there between both phones if you use this kind of test. And right now Realme X1 Max, we got the score, sequential read, and Realme GT. So finally we got the score. As you can see, the highest score in the Realme X1 Max in terms of the storage test using the Android Benchmark application. As you can see friends, clearly the difference. So in the sequential read, I think GT got slightly highest. Sequential write speeds are slightly higher in the Realme X1 Max. As you can see the comparison between both phones. And final application, let me need to open the disk speed test application as well. So let's start testing the internal storage. Let's see how much highest can it be there and which phone can actually finish faster. And this is my first time doing this kind of testing on the Realme GT. I'll try to compare with other smartphones. So let me know in the comment section below what are other devices you want me to compare. Then definitely I'll try to compare side by side. So right now we're getting percentage about close to 39% and 40. So first I think the Realme X1 Max will be able to finish this kind of testing at this moment, I think so. Let's see what's gonna happen next. 45%, 46 and 44, not bad. Slightly very close to each other in terms of finishing the test results. And just before this video, I uploaded video on the Realme GT after using for 5 days of usage. So make sure to check this video friends in case if you want to know more details after using for 5 days the Realme GT review. So that will give you the clear idea what is happening with the Realme GT as well. So here we go with the results and read and write. As you can see friends, these are the final results which we got. So read speeds 1 Gbps and write speeds are slightly higher in the Realme X1 Max, even in this application as well, 408 MB. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones in terms of the UFS storage 3.1 speed, read and write speeds. And that's it friends, see you in the next video. I'll illustrate for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.